Kecheibi, Asuogya is predominantly a farming community in the Nkwanta South District in the Ute region with about 1,000 inhabitants. The only school in the community, Kecheibi Asuogya MA Primary School, lacks basic infrastructure which defeats the principle of accessible, equitable, and quality education. Pupils attend classes in temporary structures, which are essentially safety hazards. A downpour means classes have to be suspended. Sometimes the structures collapse. Ben Kweku Al-Hassan is the head teacher of the school. He says countless attempts to have a proper structure erected by government have yielded no results.
Our problem is we don't have classroom blocks for the children. We don't have furniture, computers, textbooks for the children. When the clouds are gathered, or during rainy season, let me say it that way, classroom activities are spotted. We normally close the children when it is about to rain, since our structures cannot accommodate them. The district municipal assembly through education office. We also apply to the NGOs, individuals and philanthropists, but as at now, we haven't heard anything yet.
In Simbe, Yufotuba is a pupil here. The unavailability of desk, textbooks, computers, and most importantly, classroom blocks bother him so much.
We have school building, textbooks, computers, desks. All these affect our learning. We plead the government and NGOs to come to our aid.
In an interaction with a community member, Ugban Bokbo, he reiterated the concerns of the head teacher and the pupils. He further appealed to government and NGOs to help provide much needed infrastructure to aid teaching and learning.
Toilet. School officer teacher for
Reporting for MX24, I am Agbado Sylvester Delali from the Ute region.